we have many updates for you as well as new airdrops that are gonna go live. So let's jump straight onto the laptop. And the first one is about Squid. Now, I don't know if you know or you use Squid, but Squid is the aka secure data access layer for blazing fast Web3 indexing, and they are gonna go have a confirmed airdrop because they are partnering up with Ice Cream Swap over here, which is a decentralized aggregator, launchpad, and bridge on the core DAO. They're launching together a point program, which means farm the farmers and let's get for an airdrop. So just so that you're aware, if you are utilizing it, let's go and utilize it even more when it comes out because it is important to know about it. And it's going to be another potential airdrop. So if you want to be up to date with everything, make sure to follow them and make sure to know exactly all of it. Next up, I want to remind you that the bridge is closing down. The gap that you can farm your airdrop is getting smaller and smaller. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to go and bridge. The link is down below. We are nearly 100 of us. So if you want to join my community over Come and Trade, we are getting very nicely ranked up. All of these people, great allocation. They will have 94 trades, fees. So amazing. And this is an airdrop that is based on how much you spend on fees is what you're going to receive as an airdrop. Very simple. So you're still in time to farm it. Come down to the link down below and you will be able to farm it all together, and join me on Telegram to let me know more information about it. Next up, I want to talk about the Ease announcement. Now, what are we talking about here? Well, Ease has a strategic partnership with Farana Official, one of the pioneers in the team-based arena TPS games. To celebrate this, they're joining the playtest from Farana. To join, there will be a link down below. You can visit the farcana.com/playtest, sign with your email, and join the event with 1 million Farana prize pool. If you click over here, you're gonna be redirected to the website. You are having the possibility to sign up very simply, and you are good to go. I got 10 Farana over here on my wallet, which is nice to see. And simply go and scroll around, look a little bit for the events, for everything that you need to know. Here is the events, the Tarkana Launchpad, the May Getaway Showdown is en route. So make sure to join and wait for the official announcement. But if you still hold your ETH token, let me know down in the comments below. And if you are tired of it, if you want to sell it, the link to ByBit is in the description. Make sure to go and sell it, get some profit, and switch to another airdrop. But next up, we got information about Renzo. Now, we know the Renzo protocol really messed up, and when it came to the airdrop distribution, a lot of people were upset in the past days. And why? Well, simply because Renzo allocated 5%, which then turned out to be 3% of the total token supply. After farming the farmers for so much, they decided to give them only 3% or whatever it was. So everybody was upset of it and everybody didn't really like it. So they released a statement saying, "We hear you. The Renzo team acknowledges feedbacks and the importance of our community who has made Renzo the leading restaking protocol. Based on your feedback, we are updating the claim timeline," which means that the stakers, everybody that provided liquidity to Ethereum, to Renzo Ethereum, are going to have the possibility to claim it first. Because what happened before? Well, the timeline meant that you were able to claim your airdrop after 2 days after the listing on Binance, which means if you help the protocol achieve what they are today, everybody's gonna dump on you, and then you're gonna be left 2 days after with your token worth a fourth of what it actually was when it launches, if you wanna sell it, because rightfully so, you wanna make profit from the airdrop that you have farmed. So they are changing that and potentially helping the farmers or everybody that contributed to claim earlier. The tokenomics as well, with the community increasing from 30% to 32%. The total airdrop allocation is increasing from 10% to 12%. The season 1 increment from 5 to 7%, which is still bad. And the season 2 allocation remains a 5% total supply. The Binance launch pool remains at 2.5 total supply, and the airdrop eligibility as well have changed. And we're talking about the minimum qualification is 360 ETH points per wallet. The majority of the eligible wallets, greater than 99%, are fully unlocked at TG. So they are giving the possibility of 99% of the wallet to be able to claim and sell if they want to sell at the token generation event. a higher threshold is being applied for the largest wallets. So trying to prevent people, or whales in this case, from dumping the token. Wallets with more than 500,000 ETH points will unlock 50% of their token at TGE, with the remaining now vesting linear over 3 months, which, if you are a big farmer and you are somebody that farmed, you should be able to sell anytime you want. But here, it's the community is still pretty much upset about it, and rightfully so. They only increment from 2% instead of going to, 10%, 15% was probably a good idea now that you messed up so badly, but they didn't. Next up, we're talking about the Camino Foundation. The Camino token is coming on April 30th, so 4 days from the release of this video, and it's gonna be very, very good. We're gonna have a Genesis date on the 30th of April. The initial distribution is more or less 10%. The initial community distribution is 7.5%. The claims are yet not live, so do not click any buttons. Do not try to claim any Twitter bots pretending that Camino is live. It is not live. You cannot, take anything for it. There's no token yet, so make sure to go and do it. Next up, we're talking about the new Cosmos airdrop over here, the Gel LY that we can see over here. And you can enroll from the Gelverse community, and I will leave you the link down below, and you can complete the phase 1 airdrop quest. And this one is for Cosmos Cosmos users, which is basically simply to go and deposit and do some liquidity. You got the possibility to sign up, and as we see here, complete the phase 1 airdrop quest, which is absolutely easy to do. Next up, we have another airdrop update, the Zero airdrop over here. The link is the Zeroland airdrop over here, which we're gonna go and see if you open it down through the link down below. The 0 to Zillion, you can enter the zero gravity, as we see over here. I've got 0 available points simply because I did not utilize it, but we can go and connect the wallet and double check it. But I am sure I did not really do anything with this protocol, but you can have an update on it. So sign the message, come in, let me know also your token allocation down in the comments below. But as we see over here, for anyone farming the Zeroland XIZ airdrop, the X-Layer official network has now been added with some pretty amazing APRs for lending USDC and wrapped Ethereum in particular. Would love to see the Squid router supporting some more of these, but how many points have you got? So basically they added Ethereum, Linea, Blastdick, Sync Manta, and now X-Layer as well, which you can go and utilize to go and lend, supply, etc. your token, which is right here. As we said, I do have nothing. I did not go and farm this, but you can go and earn points by simply, as we see over here, verify Discord, say good morning. So you're still in time to go and farm it. Absolutely, yes. You're still in time to earn. You're still in time to supply. You're still in time to borrow, which gives you points per day. And then with that one, you have the possibility to go and also stake Python, 5 points per month staked as well. So there's a combination of whole things. If you want to go and do it, it does look like a nice airdrop, and it doesn't look like it's about to, be saturated. It's not yet that time. So make sure to go and join them. Next up, we got the update on the Taiko. The latest testnet airdrop has arrived, the latest chain. So this is supposedly should be the last of the chains. And as we see over here, Hakla is special because it has AIP 48844. And, it should theoretically be the last one to be the last chain in terms of testing here and there. So I will leave you the tweet link down below. You can go and read it all, and so we don't make it a 30 minutes video with all the announcement that I have. But simply go and utilize it. Go to the Taiko website over here as well, Taiko XYZ. Make sure to go and do some bridges. Make sure to go and do some swaps. Make sure to go and bridge to Taiko. Make sure to go and utilize the Hakla Taiko over here, which you're able to go and see from whatever you have. I got some tokens as well from Hakla to Hosky. So simply go and do some bridging in and out just to go and, be sure to utilize the protocol. Have the possibility. It's all on a testnet, so you are not wasting any fees. Everything is on a testnet. Everything is free to utilize it. Do not worry about it. But make sure to go and do some bridges. Make sure to, take actions within this Taiko airdrop as well. As we said, it is completely free, so there's nothing for you to lose. Just like CVEX exchange that we have covered recently. do daily transaction because you do not want to miss out on this one. You have the possibility to claim some faucet token from the left side over here, as well as clicking over here and going to swap token. It is also important to swap token, absolutely yes, and we can swap from Ethereum to anything that we want. We can go from Ethereum to Horse, as we see over here. We can put 0.1, and we make swaps on a daily. We continue to persistently make swaps. It is a little bit slow. Of course, it is not a mainnet, so do not pretend too much about it, but all the links will be down below. You can do the swaps, swap a few Ethereum that you have on a testnet, and if you do not have them, make sure to go over here on the left. There is the faucet link, and just go and do some action. There's nothing that can go wrong. Simply do all of the transaction that you can, and in my opinion, it is gonna be a very, very nice airdrop to go and receive once it goes live. As of right now, we just know that we gotta do a few transactions and nothing much, as we are preparing for the mainnet. There could be, however, some Galaxy quest, which we can go and check out right now. If we go over to galaxy.com, we simply sign up with our wallet. And this is something that I suggest you to do on every protocol that you're farming, actually, to always go here and look for taiko quest. Now, if there are any new taiko quests, I will take you the quest over onto my Twitter page, so make sure to follow me on Twitter. But we got a few new, as we see here, the taiko ecosystem has a few new quests, so let's go and follow them. We got all of this one going on, which is nice to see. But let's see if there's any other taiko situation that we can go and receive. Not by here, simply let's click on taiko. We look what there is over on the internet, and we got a little bit. So make sure to go and do them. Make sure to go and check all of the Galaxy quests because it is important, as we said. And here, if it is on a testnet, make sure to go and do it. There's the taiko ecosystem as well as the taiko official page, as we see over here, which, you know, you simply need to go and do a few tests on the taiko Discord, taiko Twitter. All of them seem to be relatively free, as it is anyway on a testnet, and I seem to have done them all in this situation over here. So yeah, make sure to go and do it. I will leave you also the Galaxy link down below so that you are aware of what you can do and what you've done already. Next up, we got another alpha from the Fritzante over here, which is another Osmosis grants. So it's gonna be an Osmosis airdrop in the Osmosis ecosystem, and it's 2 of those as we see today. There will be more details, but they have received the grant, so possibility is that there will either be a airdrop in terms of point system, which, you know, wouldn't surprise me as everybody's doing over there. And what is it? Well, it's a platform that enables the tokenization and trading of yield. It aims to position itself in the center of the ecosystem, and it will pay for audit for the Fritzante code. So the Osmosis grant program will pay for the audit for the Fritzante code. So yeah, another airdrop potentially could happen really, really soon. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this update. There were a lot today, but I'm trying to take you 2 videos a day with full information so that you never miss an airdrop. With that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.